Hello my dear students, how are you? This is Suprity, lecturer Department of Biology, Milestone College, Uttara, Dhaka. Welcome to your science online class. I think all of you are safe at home, and today I am discussing some topics from chapter 7, use of acid, base and salt. Today's topics are basics of acid, base and salt, use of acids in daily life, misuses of acid and penalty of acid throwing. Learning objectives. What is acid? Strong and weak acids. What is base? What is salt and its characteristics? Uses of acids in our daily life, misuses of acids and penalty of acid throwing. Now I am discussing about acid. Acid produce hydrogen ion in water. Weak acid. Acid are two types, weak acid and strong acid. Weak acid. There are some acid which do not dissociate completely in water. That means all the acid molecules present do not produce hydrogen ion. The acids are called weak acids. Maximum weak acid are inorganic acid, such as citric acid, oxalic acid, acetic acid, etc. Strong acid. Mineral acid completely dissociate in water to produce hydrogen ion. All the acid molecules present undergo dissociation. But there are some acid which is not an organic acid but a weak acid, such as carbonic acid. There is a table. We see there is some important strong and weak acids. You must learn this name of acids. Weak acids are acetic acid, citric acid, oxalic acid, and strong acids are sulfuric acid, nitric acid, and hydrochloric acid. Base. Bases are substances that in aqueous solution releases hydroxide ions, are slippery to the touch, can taste bitter in an alkyl, change the color of indicators, react with acids to form salts. In a word, a base is a substance that can neutralize the acid by reacting with hydrogen ion, change in color of indicators by chemical reactions. Salt. Salt are the products obtained by the chemical reaction between acid and base, such as sodium chloride, sodium carbonate, potassium nitrate, etc. Baking soda is a salt. Baking soda produces hydrogen ion in water. On the other hand, sodium bicarbonate is alkaline. Carbonate salts react with acid and produce a new salt, carbon dioxide gas and water. We see there are two reactions. Sodium carbonate plus hydrochloric produce sodium chloride plus water plus carbon dioxide gas. Calcium carbonate plus sulfuric acid produce calcium sulfate plus water plus carbon dioxide gas. Almost all the salts are solid having high melting point and boiling point. Most of the salts are soluble in water. However, there are some salts such as calcium carbonate, silver chloride, etc., which are not soluble in water. Now I am discussing about uses of acid in our daily life. When scorpion or wasps sting as a base, name histamine is responsible for irritation and swelling. To treat the sting, the paste used contains vinegar and baking soda, which are acids. They react with the histamine and neutralize it. Therefore, pain, irritation, and swelling reduce. Number 2. After taking rich diet like pulao, biryani, etc., we drink Pepsi, Coca-Cola, Sprite, etc. To digest food, specific amount of hydrochloric acid required in the stomach. Soft drinks are slightly acidic and so helps to digest food. Number 3. Lemon, orange, apple, guava, gooseberry, star fruit, etc. contain different types of organic acid which are essential for us, such as vitamin C or ascorbic acid helps us in repairing wounds, and lack of it in human body causes disease named scurvy. Number 4. Vinegar or acetic acid are used to preserve pickles of mango, olive, etc. Number 5. Lactic acid present in boar honey and curd, that is helpful in digestion-rich foods. Number 6. Baking soda is used to puff cake, biscuits and bread. Baking soda reacts with yeast and releases carbon dioxide, which puffs baked items. Number 7. Hydrochloric acid, nitric acid and sulfuric acid are main ingredients in household toilet cleaner. Number 8. The lead storage battery used in vehicles to run IPS to produce electricity by solar panel requires sulfuric acid. Number 9. The inorganic fertilizers used widely are ammonium nitrate, ammonium sulfate and ammonium phosphate. These are produced from different types of acid. These are produced from nitric acid, sulfuric acid and phosphoric acid respectively. So different types of acids are involved in our life, inseparable. However, some acids, particularly strong acids, are very harmful. So we need to be very cautious in using acids. If acids falls in our body by chance, that part of the body should be washed using much water. Now I am talking about misuse of acids and social effects. Some wicked people are committing serious crime throwing acids on human body in one hand. On the other hand, they are misusing such valuable resources. From a study, it is seen that acid victims are easily girls or housewives. So, it is clear that due to acid terrorism, many talented and brilliant students cannot continue their study. When the victims are housewives, they lead an inhuman and miserable family life. So, we have to raise our voice against acid terrorism and also have to make people conscious of it. Penalty of acid throwing. Acid throwing is serious crime. According to the Women and Child Control Act 1995 of Bangladesh, the punishment could be death sentence. In one hand, the perpetrators of acid attack are doing harm to others. On the other hand, they cannot escape punishment. It is likely that they are confined in the jail for rest of the life. So, we need to make people careful and aware of the danger of acid throwing. So, this is your science class. Now, I am telling you your homework. You must complete this homework and submit it by your subject teacher. Your today's homework is: what is acid, what is strong acid, what is weak acid, what is base, what is salt, and last one is write the uses of acids in our daily life. Okay, if you don't understand any question, you must contact your subject teacher. Okay. Goodbye.